What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. So today we caught amazing sales within the mentorship Discord. We actually had a live session. We called it out so accurately, sniper entries. And in this video I want to show you how I was able to pinpoint exactly where the market was gonna sell, and I just want to break it down for you, time frame by time frame, concept by concept. So definitely, before we can jump into that, I want to do a giveaway, a prop trading challenge to 3 individuals on this channel, faithful 3 individuals, right? So how you can win a 10k prop trading challenge with the Forex fund that I've partnered up with them. Simple steps. I need you to decide which video on this channel really impacted you the most. Screenshot that thumbnail. Then you can go to our Instagram. Please do follow. In order to qualify for this, you must follow our company page, Prophetic_Forex, and also follow the Forex Funder, because they're the ones who made this opportunity available to my audience, which is you guys. Once you've followed them, you're gonna tag us on your story, right? You're gonna tag us alongside with the thumbnail of the best YouTube video you've ever watched from us that impacted you. So you basically have my tag and their tag as well alongside with the thumbnail. I'm gonna take those names, I'm gonna write them down on a piece of paper, right? Or pieces of paper within the Friday video. So the next video that I'm gonna be posting on Friday, I'm gonna announce the winner, right? So exactly when I do the live in the trade, I'm gonna do part 2. I'm gonna announce the 3 winners who are gonna be winning the 10k challenge. I hope this is an opportunity for you to always get hooked to the video, so definitely do so after watching this, okay? So we're just gonna jump on the screen right now. Okay, family, so we are on NASDAQ. As you can see, this is the trade we took and we closed at this demand level. We're targeting this demand level here, but of course this was like take profit 1 in a way. Okay, I'm not sure if others did hold, but I did advise that people should trail stop, and that's exactly where we are over here. Okay, so this was supposed to be the final take profit in terms of this demand level. So in essence, we actually just closed all the way right here. Now that doesn't matter. I believe you're here to learn, hence you clicked on this video, right? And yeah, this is an easy approach NASDAQ strategy that you can sort of use in the markets, right? Again, I think the main emphasis that I've been trying to share on this channel lately is order flow. And order flow is following the main trend and trading according to the main trend. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't pick up market pullbacks, but you have a better accuracy of trading with the market than against the market. So in this case, what we first saw over here, I bring your attention to the daily time frame. What we first saw here was a fair value gap that the market actually tapped into. I did refine it as we went to smaller time frames, but yeah, the market, I could see that today it's within a fair value gap. Therefore, now going to your time frames like your 4H, I was able to actually see that, oh, we've already tapped into it, therefore I just want the pullback of the market to kind of sell. So what I mean by that, let me just draw a sketch for you. So if this is the order flow of the market and exactly how it looks on a daily time frame, and something like this now, where the market is, let's say, tapped into a bigger zone, okay, and it is sold, okay, and on the smaller time frame it looks like this. So we want to go retest and then sell, and that's exactly what I mean here. Let me just draw it for you again. This, let's say this is the big supply or the fair value gap. In that case, I'm just making an example of a supply. The market sort of like touched in something like this and it's sold. On the smaller time frame, I'm just gonna wait for a pullback to a smaller demand, a smaller supply, okay, and then I take the trade. That's exactly what I did here, but in this case we had a fair value gap where the market filled it in, and within the 4H I was able to just refine it to exactly what it was over here. Okay, I just took that low and this high over here to kind of get that fair value gap. Now given that the market had already tapped, sold, I was anticipating that we can get a reversal, and that's exactly what happened here. Given the sketch that I just show you right now, so we took a rejection out of block. That's what we call it here, rejection out of block. But when we get to refine it, okay, it's going to be a very fast video, but I want you to get straight to the point and understand it. And of course, you learn by repetition, imitation, and of course back testing when it comes to the forex market. So you can imitate what I do, put it on your chart as if you took the trade. Every analysis that I do in here, or I teach you something, take it and be able to recognize, draw those fair value gaps or supplies the same way I do. You surely get to this level, right? And of course, I went to the M15, and of course on the M15 that was a supply. I just want to remove this one here. Okay, so that was this whole last candle over here. Let me just see if I can draw it for you guys. Okay, this last candle over here, that was the candle that I took. I was looking for this. So this last candle here, I took it and drawed my supply, as you can see. Now, as you can see, this is a rejection candle, and it had a small body of it, or it still does have a small body. So what I did, I took that small body, and it's exactly what I said within our live session, right? Yeah, many of my students can attest to this fact that the market is going to want to tap into this, and then that's when it gets to sell. And of course, that hence we had our entry here. Okay, hence we had our entry here, 27 points, and of course we're targeted over, let's see how many points is that. Okay, we're targeted over 174. Okay, but of course I think we closed all the way somewhere here at 120, but it's still an amazing risk to reward ratio, 1:4. Okay, so as soon as we tapped in, we're actually triggered here with our sell limits, and the market just melted like butter, literally. As you can see, Bob was our uncle in this case, as my mentor would say. When the market taps into a supply, provided that you have a higher time frame. So again, guys, you want to master this. It's a very easy approach to the market, right? Is that you master higher time frame bias and you trade according to that. The market first has to tap into the higher time frame. As you can see, we had this fair value gap. Once this take place, you wait for the market to drop, and of course on the smaller time frame like your M15, it's going to want to pull back to that, then sells. So you can catch the sells, take your profit at the next lower low. In this case, we had this, which was the previous low, and that's exactly what happened. We're targeting this market to create lower lows, but we're not going to be greedy in that regard. So if you follow order flow, okay, I'm going to title this video NASDAQ order flow strategy. If you follow this order flow, if you master the higher time frame bias and you trade within the New York session, or if you're trading a pair that's relevant to the London session, trade it within the London session. I'm telling you, you're rest assured to get beautiful trades. Okay, and of course this is the end of the video, but do not forget about the giveaway, guys. Very important for some of you guys. You do absolutely need this. Okay, follow the rules that I said at the beginning, which is to follow Prophetic Forex Instagram, the Forex Founder Instagram, as well as make sure to also post your favorite YouTube video from us. So whatever video that impacted you, do screenshot it, post it on your story. That's how I'm gonna get to know who is who, and when I get to DM you, yeah, so I will pick them as a raffle. Make sure you watch the video we're going to be doing at the end of the week. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. If it was the first time watching our videos, make sure to subscribe, like, if you do like this kind of educational videos. Remember, we don't only do analysis, we do self-development, we do trading psychology, we do fundamental economic analysis, as well as news trading, which is volatile economic indicators. God bless you. See you on the next one.